we two, me and my friend Maurishwar are expressing our personal opinions on this particular topic.
ఆయన చేయడం
Hi.
అందరం
Hi.
ఆయన చేయడం
Hey, what is this demonetization?
We all have got experienced. We doesn't know the literal meaning of demonetization, but we all got experienced it, right? Yes,
మంచి
all of us stopped using paper notes. Now we are using digital money. I mean, PhonePe, Google Pay, or everything. Do you think it is not the result of demonetization? Yes, demonetization is nothing but reducing the usage of physical money just to encourage digital India. You know, it was from
లాస్ట్కి
Introduced by-
తిరుగుమన్న
it was introduced by our Modi government. So the main reason for introduction of this demonetization is by 2014 while BJP is contesting in elections, as a part of their manifesto they announced Digital India. So to promote that Digital India, they took a way of demonetization.
So you are telling that this demonetization main concern is to improve net banking?
Yes, absolutely.
So this is the main cause of cancellation of all private and currency notes.
And not only but to recover black money. So 3 days ago I learned from one of our faculty that
అనిపిస్తుంది
before demonetization there were only 14 lakh crores in India in circulation, but after demonetization it went to 17 lakh crores. It doesn't mean RBI printed some more notes. I mean black money got recovered and it was deposited in accounts and turned into white.
So this is the main agenda.
Yes, I think so.
So do you think this is successful? I mean, does it make good for us or for government?
Yes, I think India is a democratic nation, so without successful of a scheme introduced by a government, do you think again the same government will form? I don't think so. So due to success of this scheme, the same government will form with high majority again. So I think this is successful. And the success fruits are we are enjoying today without withdrawing any paper money from ATMs.
So you are supporting demonetization.
Yes, I do.
If demonetization is successful, why do all rich people are staying in houses and poor people like us are standing on lines for the bank for just some exchange of 10,000 or 20,000 money?
Yes, I agree what you said. But if RBI or government provide some enlarged time to convert your old notes into new notes, there may be a chance of raising black money again. So to check that issue, they might have provided a very less time. In such a less time, we may have rushed into ATMs or banks without sufficient knowledge. That's my view on what you said now.
But don't you think it's a scam?
Yeah, I don't think so, because before demonetization it were only 14 lakh crores in circulation, but after demonetization it went to 17 lakh crores. How can I think so? In a scam, after completion of scam, the result should be negative. But I don't think so it is negative of increasing circulation. I don't think so it is a negative. I think it is a positive one.
But it's just a promotion of UPI, you're telling that, isn't it?
Yes.
But due to the zero concerns only we have got the net banking concerns, net banking facilities. If there is no zero, there is no net bank, isn't it?
Yeah, that may be the vision of that particular businessman. You know, right? whoever it may be, will survive in business world when he has a vision of at least 5 years. As we heard yesterday, just yesterday, by our academic director. When we have a vision of at least future 5 years, we can survive in this competitive business world. So that may be the reason for what we are enjoying only Jio and only some particular online banking apps or services.
But I have a doubt. Can I ask it? Yeah. According to some income tax reports, there are nearly 15 lakh crores black money is there with people. Where did it go?
Yeah, let me tell, before answering your question, let me tell some other thing which is presented in Income Tax Act. So, as per Income Tax Act, whatever the money you pay which exceeds 10,000 should be paid only by bank. So, yeah, if this provision was not present in Income Tax Act, before demonetization, there is very less importance for digital India. So there is a chance of circulating black money. Don't you think so? No one is ready to pay tax on black money. That is why it became a black money. Black money doesn't mean its color, its nature. Nature means hiding from income tax. So, in regarding this particular question, amount which exceeds 10,000 will be paid in physical money if this demonetization was not done. I mean, if this digital India was not promoted.
So, demonetization is just a filter to eliminate all black money.
Yes, that too. And during 2014, I mean 2014, central government announced to open Jandan accounts, I mean zero accounts, which we formally called as zero accounts. No, right? During this, and the reason for their announcement is they thought that black money will get recovered and that black money can be served to poor people. That's their motto behind this demonetization. But unfortunately, due to various reasons, that black money has got turned into white. And I don't express in a negative way. Turning black money into white is a good thing, right? Improvement in circulation of physical money without printing new notes. That's I mean.
So, do you think this demonetization has a valid procedure? I mean, are there errors or mistakes or frauds happen in banks?
Yes, there might be some errors. Yes. Let me quote one example. If I have a relative in bank, I can convert my black money to white with a ratio. Yes, that may be a negative one. I don't say only positives, but there will be negatives.
Yes, due to the negatives, nearly most of the 90% black money get converted into white money.
Yes, let it get converted. After conversion, circulation got increased. That's what the fruits we are enjoying today. I mean, circulation of more money before demonetization, after demonetization, without involvement of printing notes.
Okay, I agree with you. But there are also some negative points for every positive concept, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, there will be some negatives too. Besides all this, we all should agree that there will be some negative and positives for each and everything. So let's enjoy the fruits of positive sense and try to get diverted from negative sense. Now, my friend Maurishwar will inform you some detailed information about this demonetization. It may be valuable for your studies. Interested can listen.
Yeah, this demonetization actually occurred in 8 November 2016. So the news spread out throughout the India and banks get shut down after that day. But at the same year, April 11, UPI launched by Raghuram Rajan through RBI. So due to some connections through net banking, there are some errors like served fraud. So to promote UPI banking, demonetization has occurred to government of BJP. To promote rich banking, Jio was launched in 2016, 5th September. And branches started accepting banking on 25th August. Thank you.
And one disclaimer clause, we apologize for any controversial issues. These political party names and some business institutions names are just for your understanding. Not exactly. Yes, thank you.